eyeshadow palette. I was inspired to wear my tie-dye Candyland shirt.
Greetings, Earthlings! I am back at it again with another TJ Maxx beauty haul. And today, when I went there, unfortunately, I was a sucker and I signed up for a TJ Maxx credit card. So we might be seeing a few more of these videos coming up here. Anyway, let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so, I don't even know where to start. There's so much stuff. I'll start with what I was most excited about. This is the Lancome Eye Sugar Palette. I saw this and thought it was so cute. Look at the colors. Like, that is so cute. I am wearing it right now. I used only what was in here and only the brush that it came with. But I had used this hot pink shade in the crease, this nice sky blue shade on the outer corner, and then I tried using this metallic-y pink shade on the lid, but it wasn't showing up very well. Let's see if I can swatch these. Yeah, see, the mattes show up pretty nice. And then on the brow bone and the inner corner, I used this, like, icy white shade. They're creamy, but like I said, a little powdery. And then, like, in the middle, I tried to use this shimmery, kind of iridescent shade, but it's also pretty powdery and did not show up very well. But overall, I really like this palette. It was $25, and on the Lancome website, they still have this, and it goes for $59. So this was more than half off. Hey, bubby. So also on my eyes, I am wearing the CoverGirl Supersizer Mascara. I'm not crazy about it. It doesn't give me the volume that I like. I know this at least used to be a very popular mascara, but I don't like it. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of this to give me some volume. Anyway, I paid $3.49 for this mascara, and on the Ulta website it is $6.99. So this was about half off also. I also found the Kat Von D Lock-It Color Correcting Eyeshadow Primer in Light. This was $2.99 on Sephora. It's regularly $18, but it's currently on sale for $11. It's a pencil. It did a good job correcting my lids. I mean, I don't have a lot of like pigmentation on my lids as it is, but it did do a good job smoothing everything and making it a pretty even base. I don't use eyeshadow bases very often. I usually just use concealer, but it was only $2.99, so I thought, what the hey? And it's not bad. On my little cheekies, I have this Lorac Pro Powder Cheek Stain in Coral Crush. In my last TJ Maxx haul, I had found one of these also. I forget what shade it was in. But this one, these are very pigmented. They're kind of hard to use, at least I think, because even though I went in with a light hand today, you can't tell, but like, I feel like a clown. It's like so bright. But I mean, they are cheek stains. But look, the little, the cap is like a magnifying glass. Ooh. Anyway, I tried to look all over the internet to see how much these originally are. I can't really find them anywhere. There's some on eBay for around like $10. But other than that, I'm pretty sure these have probably been discontinued. Also from Lorac, I found this TANtalizer Lips with Benefits lip gloss in Marco. I looked everywhere for this online too. Everywhere that had sold it was sold out, so I think it's also been discontinued, but I do believe it was around $18 originally. I have not tried this yet. It looks very interesting. Let's do a little swatcheroony. So it's like a bronzy colored lip gloss. We'll see. We will see. I like the tube. I think it looks really cool. Look at that. Okie doke. Moving on. I found this Skinfix Natural Lemon Mint Lip Repair Balm. Now, I have dry lips like all of the time, and this I got for $2.99. It's $5 at Ulta. It smells really nice, 40% coconut oil. I did use this today and it is really nice. Like, it's a good lip balm. It's so smoothing, and it smells nice too. Lemon mint. Face wipes. I got some Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wipes with tea tree oil and calendula. I paid $3.99. These are $6 at Ulta. I wasn't crazy about these. I don't know if it's because they're biodegradable wipes, but they fall apart really easily. When it would usually take me like one simple wipe to get all my makeup off, that takes me about two, just because it dries out really quick and it like starts to crumble and fall apart. But they get the job done. You just need a couple of them. The wipe is almost more like the consistency of like a moist towelette that you would get at like a barbecue joint, but oh well. Then this I found. This is a 3-piece set of Batiste dry shampoo, travel sizes. This was $7.99. They are $3.99 a piece. It comes with blush, original, and tropical. Blush is my favorite. It smells very good. What I like about these is that even though they spray on white, it doesn't leave any kind of a residue, which is nice because I have, clearly I have dark hair. So you just spray it on to the roots and give it like 30 seconds, you zhuzh it, and you're good to go. And trust me, I have gone through so many bottles of those. I love it. I have never had a problem with them. I only wash my hair once or twice a week, so I use those a lot, and they're good. They're good. What else do we have? Okay, I found an Essie nail polish. This one was actually on clearance for $3. I don't know if you've ever gone to the beauty section of TJ Maxx clearance. That's a scary place. I have seen some things. Anyway, this is in the shade Turquoise and Caicos. I wore it the day that I got it. The first layer goes on really sheer. It's kind of runny, but then after you layer it, just one more layer, like it's pretty opaque. I'm not crazy about green nail polishes on myself though. I kind of feel like it looks like, I don't know, like mildewy, or like I have like some kind of an infection. It is a pretty color though, and this on the Essie website is $9, so $3 is not a bad deal because I do collect these. I have a lot of Essie nail polishes. A little bit of a TMI product. I got this Gillette Venus Bikini Balm. Instantly soothes redness, irritation, and bumps. I shave my legs every day. My legs don't necessarily like that, but I feel gross if I don't. So this, I hope, will come in handy. It looks like a little like deodorant stick. Try it after I shave tonight. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you want me to keep doing these, because I get such a rush and a thrill when I am digging through the TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, Bell's Outlet makeup sections, and I find goodies at good prices. So please subscribe if you have not. Wait, no, I do have one more thing. Ahaha, I tricked you. I got the Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Metal Lipstick in the shade Mauve Squad. I paid $7.99 for this. This is $24 at Ulta, and it is a very pretty color. It's almost like a rose gold color, but yeah, I like it, and it's really pretty. It's really opaque. It's not matte though, so it doesn't dry down like how I prefer my liquid lipsticks to, but you can't win everything. Anyway, so like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!